This tutorial for children's star gloves. They are soft, comfortable and warm. The star on one glove can squeak. The other glove's star can rotate. It's full of fun and cuteness. Let's crochet together with the tutorial. Use Crochet Manju and Hung 4.0 thread. Crochet in a circular manner. Let's start with the sum part. And chain 2 stitches as the standing stitch for double crochet stitches. Then hook the needle. Hook the needle through. Bring the thread over. Pass through the first 2 loops. And then through the last 2 loops. This is the way to crochet a double crochet stitch. To make a mark. Then the second double crochet stitch. The third double crochet stitch. You need to crochet 10 double crochet stitches in one round. Everyone finish the remaining double crochet stitches. Then remove the loop. Tighten the thread. Find the stitch of the first double crochet stitch. Thread it through and pull the thread through. The first round is done. First, chain 2 stitches, and without increasing or decreasing, and 10 double crochet stitches. The third round is also the same, 10 double crochet stitches. You can cut the thread after finishing. Okay, let's start crocheting the main body. The first round of the main body is to crochet 12 double crochet stitches. The crocheting method is the same as the sum. Everyone can complete the first round. Second round, chain 2 stitches. In each stitch, hook 2 double crochet stitches, which is an increase in double crochet stitches. There are 24 double crochet stitches in total. In the third round, chain 2 stitches. First, crochet 5 double crochet stitches. Then crochet 1 double crochet stitch increase. These 6 stitches form a group. We crochet 4 groups, from the 4th to the 8th rounds. Are all the same. We will crochet 28 double crochet stitches. Just crochet 1 double crochet stitch for each stitch. After the 8th row is finished, take out the sum part. Find the last stitch, and bring the thread through again to make a SLSDT. Then chain 2 stitches, and crochet a round of double crochet stitches around the main body. There are 10 double crochet stitches on the sum. We just crochet normally. 10 double crochet stitches. After hooking 10 stitches on the sum, we directly insert the needle into the first stitch. Insert the hook here, and make 28 double crochet stitches. 1 stitch to 1 stitch. After the last stitch, find the first stitch on the main body and pull it out. Our gloves and the sum part are connected. Next, we crochet the 10th round. First, chain 2 stitches. We'll crochet 2 double crochet stitches normally. After 2 double crochet stitches, then start to crochet decrease stitches. Wind the thread around the hook. Pick up the half stitch of the needle. Then pick up the half stitch of the needle. Bring the thread over. 2 stitches back. The method of decreasing stitches. We need to do it 5 times in total. Next, we will crochet without increasing or decreasing, and crochet 20 double crochet stitches. After 20 double crochet stitches, then crochet 1 decrease stitch. Then there are 4 stitches left, and crochet double crochet stitches in turn. Okay, this is the pattern for the 10th round. Next, we crochet the 11th round. First, chain 2 stitches. For the 11th round, follow the diagram. You can crochet it yourself. It's all made up of double crochet stitches and decrease stitches. Are all the same, just crochet double crochet stitches. Everyone can finish crocheting it. Then we take the thread from the inside to hook a circle. Crochet a slip stitch backwards. You can do it according to your own preference. Let's find the first stitch. Bring the thread over. Chain 1 stitch, then we hook the needle. Turn to the last stitch and insert the hook. Then bring the thread like this. And pass through these 2 loops, which is reverse crochet short stitch. Insert the hook into the second to last stitch. Then bring the thread over. And pass through these 2 loops. Continue to the third one. According to this rule, we finish this round, and the glove is done. We need to crochet 3 star pieces, and sew 2 pieces together. The other one, connect it with the glove with this shaft, so that it can rotate. You can just glue it on. In this way, our milky, the star-shaped gloves are done.